Hello Philippines and hello world. Good evening. So, I am Aubrey Abie and now let's talk about the features of an MIS. So first, what does MIS stand for? MIS stands for Management Information System. So, our first slide is the MIS features. So, MIS has features that translate said significance to an organization, particularly critical to businesses that work in conjunction with other businesses. So, through MIS, MIS lets them share information, transfer information to each other, especially the chain of hotels, restaurants, resorts, and the like. So, through the help of these MIS features, ang work sa kanang hospitality industry is more effective and efficient and much easier because of the help of MIS or these MIS features. Because MIS MIS features helps them transfer information and share information to each other. So next is the followings are the features of an MIS that tourism and hospitality professionals need to understand. So first is that it can handle voluminous data. So the MIS will help an organization store the data for management's use. So makahandle daw ang MIS og mga kanang dagko na data na ma-store or ma-input from users, like the numbers of rooms nga na-sold for that day, then mga other information or other related information like mga previous sales sa inyong hotel or restaurants. Through the help of the system, kanang namoy records sa mga sales ninyo, subsequently puts that information into graphs or charts so users can understand and compare data. So through this MIS features, ma-compare and contrast nimo ang sales ninyo before the present og kanang future ninyo nga kanang mga sales. Like through that, makahelp jud ang MIS features through that. So next is it generates reports to the management's use. So the user should prompt the system of the data required. Insert that data into the correct template and then put the report for management's use. That report will be analyzed by the managers for decision making, to solve a problem, update product times and services offered, or for any other purposes as may be deemed necessary. So, maka-generate siya ganang mga reports that is very important in terms of decision making sa mga managers, or ma-analyze nila ang mga kanang decision na ilang i-make, because maka-help man ang MIS to kanang analyze what mga kanang mga making solving or making a solve or solution to a problem. So through this pod, maka-add silang mga services offered, like unsay ang nila i-add or i-offer sa ilang mga customers for their business or their establishment. Next is the convenient to the access and can be integrated with other systems. So this can enable convenient to the process and can be integrated with other systems. So this then enables changes to data from different sources and multiple locations. So thus allowing further use of the system. When a company decides to use other systems, the MIS can be integrated, although this may be cost an organization depending on the nature of integration. So, convenient po siya nga maka-integrate to other systems. So, because MIS enables changes to data from different sources and multiple locations. So, mas dali na lang ang pag-integrate og data because of the help of these MIS features, where convenient ang mga changes na mag-allow sa system, like mag-allow sa system so kanang maka-use bitaw ka og mga other systems So, convenient na siya because of this MIS features. So, next, it is flexible. So, MIS flexibility can be either increasing data capabilities, so more valued system features and the likes that can be added to the initial system. This then eliminates the need for the organization to purchase an entirely new system for every few years. So, ang flexibility daw sa MIS can has an increasing data capabilities. So, na siya mga more valued ka ng system features and the likes that can be added to the initial system. So, mura ka ganang like, sa iyang ka-flexible, maka-upgrade ka, maka-upgrade ka sa entirely new system every few years. So, next is that it facilitates quick search and retrieval of information. So, this I believe is so very important in terms of kanang storing information or records from the past sales, example past sales of your kanang establishment, because MIS allows quick search and retrieval of information whenever needed by the user. So for the hospitality and tourism industry, this feature is very important. Syempre, because being able to kanang quickly search and retrieve any informations nga needed nimo as the user is very important, especially diri sa hospitality and tourism industry. So lastly is the features. So lastly is the feature about management oriented. So MIS is designed from the top to work downwards. So this does not mean that only the top level managers are allowed to use it. So, management-oriented daw ni ang kanang MIS features. So, in what way? So, MIS is designed from the top to work downwards. So, kanang wala ni siya nagpasabot nga ang ang kaning MIS feature is, or this MIS kay kanang from top level managers ra ang allowed mo use ani. No. So, from top to bottom, allowed ni sila maka-use sa kanang MIS because MIS is a management-oriented system that kanang in a way na kanang hapsay ang lihok sa ilahang trabaho because it is management-oriented. So, my report ends there. So, thank you everyone for listening. Goodbye!